Gessen, I'll pose the same question to you. What do you think?
Well, I think that past year,
Sorry, Gessen, we've lost your audio. I'm going to have to ask you to, here we go, we've got you now. Can you start again?
Well, I think that the past years we experienced the emergence of progressive web applications, and this is due to increase in hardware accessibility to hardware capabilities by applications. And this PWA allows us to create more engaging user experience along with cheaper dev and more user engagement. But I don't think this means like the death of native applications, as businesses will always try to engage with users and reach users in any environment. So I think most businesses will keep providing support for native apps along with PWA, and they will provide support for any kind of app that will allow them to engage more with users and reach more users. There are users that can be reached with using PWA, but we cannot also forget about users that cannot reach them with PWA, but we can reach them with native apps. These users we need to keep to reach them in order for our business to thrive. So I think PWA are growing and are booming because the market is booming. So they are having bigger share in the market. But I think native applications will still have their share of the market.
Sure. So you feel that they will coexist. Whilst PWA will grow, there will always be a need for native applications somehow, somewhere.
I think if we have OSs, then we'll have native apps. As long as we have operating systems, then we have native apps that will run over these operating systems.
Mm-hmm. Okay, that's interesting. So there's another question